Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring UNice hair. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. This is like a blonde wig. So it is 24 inches and this is a frontal. So it comes in a cute package. You get the free gifts, you know how UNice does, with the melt band, HD wig cap, and a edge brush. So remember, this is pre-everything, so it's all done for you. They send you lace tape, so you have the option to wear this blue list and just use tape. This is the wig here, y'all. So this is like an ash blonde, which is like, you know, when it comes to blonde, we love the ash blonde. So this is a pre-everything. The lace is cut on here. You don't have to cut any lace. This is the hairline. It's pre-plucked and the knots are pre-bleached. You got 13 inches across. Your 4 inches is mainly towards the center, but you can pull off a side part. Combs in here, elastic band, and adjustable straps in the back. And there is the silicone grip in the nape to keep it from slipping. But there's also lace tape already in here, so they basically set you up to go. I am going to restyle this. As you can see, it comes with some curls in here, but you know me, so I'm going to pop this baby on and I'll be right back. Something about blonde hair, I just prefer to melt it down. So now, while it is under the melt band and I am melting this lace, I'm going to use my curling iron. It does come with like a nice little body wave to it, but I want to put some big waves in here, and then we'll take the band off. Okay, so this is the final look. I think it came out cute. I did put some waves in here. They kind of dropped a little bit, but I'm not mad at this look. I think this is nice. This is like a subtle wave. So this is a 13x4 sandy blonde ombre body wave wig from UNice Hair. This is available on Amazon. This is 150 density and this is in 24 inches. For some reason, Amazon isn't giving us girls longer than 24 inches on there, but maybe in the future we could hope for like some 26 and 28 because you know the girls love the inches. This color job is bomb. It is definitely done well. I love the ombre. Look how light this gets at the bottom, and it starts off at a nice sandy ash blonde, which I feel complements many warmer skin tones. And I have to say they did a really good job on this lace. I'm going to zoom in so you can see up close. I did use my Kiss lace spray and it melted so well. That is a bomb. That is definitely some HD lace. Now, you know the lace is good when you don't need baby hairs at all. And not only that, something about blonde with no baby hairs just... I'm going to show you this in one more style. I feel like this deserves another style. But I will show you 2 more styles and I will include that. Don't forget to like this video. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring another video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.